Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to any available address, the host may be offline or behind a strict firewall, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. Now you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. Select your network connection, right click on it, click properties. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties here, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and after that you're going to click OK again, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Radmin. You're going to download this VPN on your computer. Just click free download on here and download this VPN and tell all of your friends to download this as well. And then you'll have these two buttons, create network and join network. First you're going to click onto create network and then you're going to set a name for the network. You're also going to set a password for it. Set whatever password and name you want and just click create on here. And once the server is created, now what you're going to do is you're going to ask all of your friends to join that server. So they're going to click onto join network and then they will join your server. And once they're done joining the server, now you're going to go ahead and open up Hytale and you're going to try to play the game, and then you're going to try to create a server and then join that server and have all of your friends join the VPN first and then join your server, and then you'll be able to connect to the server. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.